Psalm 91. Safety of abiding in the presence of God. Verse 1. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Verse 2. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. Verse 3. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. Verse 4. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. His truth shall be your shield and buckler. Verse 5. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day. Verse 6. Nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that lays waste at noonday. Verse 7. 1,000 may fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right hand, but it shall not come near you. Verse 8. Only with your eyes shall you look and see the reward of the wicked. Verse 9. Because you have made the Lord, who is my refuge, even the Most High, your dwelling place. Verse 10. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. Verse 11. For He shall give His angels charge over you, to keep you in all your ways. Verse 12. In their hands they shall bear you up, lest you dash your foot against a stone. Verse 13. You shall tread upon the lion and the cobra, the young lion and the serpent you shall trample underfoot. Verse 14. Because He has set His love upon me, therefore I will deliver him. I will set him on high, because he has known my name. Verse 15. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him, and I will honor him. Verse 16. With long life I will satisfy him, and show him my salvation. Amen.